Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to switch from Binance Lite to Binance Pro on your smartphone. If you are ready to unlock advanced trading features like spot, margin, and futures on Binance, making the switch from Binance Lite to the full Binance Pro interface is quick and straightforward. First of all, open up the Binance app on your smartphone. Now, go ahead and make sure you are logged into your account. Go to the top left corner and tap on the Binance logo from the home page. You will then be able to see Binance Pro option at the bottom if you are using Binance Lite at the moment. To switch to Binance Pro, all you need to do is to tap on the Binance Pro button at the bottom. Within a few seconds, you'll be switched back to the Pro interface. Once activated, you'll be able to see an advanced interface on your screen. So that is how you can easily switch to Binance Pro from Binance Lite. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.